Did you know that the first air conditioner was in fact built to control humidity and moisture at a printing plant? Since the 1950s, AC has changed from being a lifestyle preference to a crucial requisite in any place from household to public spaces. There are almost thousands of top air conditioner companies in and around the world, and choosing the best AC is a tiresome chore. There are many products available on Amazon to choose the best air conditioner, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best air conditioner from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video and stay till the end of this video. Number 1. Central air conditioner. If you have a large home and wish to cool multiple rooms at once, then this type of air conditioning is best suited for you. A central air conditioning unit uses a split system that regulates air through ducts installed in your home. It is also known as a ducted system. The split aspect implies that the system is a combination of two main units. The outdoor unit packs in the condenser and compressor, while the indoor unit comprises the evaporator coils and air handler. Like any typical air conditioner, central air conditioning also uses refrigerant in removing heat from the indoor air. This heat is pulled outdoors and cool air is pushed in through the ducts. Utilizing modern HVAC technology, programmable thermostats can be coupled with central air conditioners for a smart home experience. Number 2. Ductless mini split. If you want better efficiency, or you want to do away with a lot of ducting, or you simply just want a portion of your home to be cooled, then opting for ductless mini split air conditioners is a great choice. Ductless systems are a great choice for contemporary homes. Such type of an air conditioner is a combination of an outdoor unit comprising of a compressor and a condenser that comes along with one or more indoor units. These indoor units are mounted on a wall and equipped with air blowers. The indoor and outdoor units are connected through tubing, and refrigerant circulates through them in variation, depending on the type of usage. Since these indoor units are small and compact, each room usually gets its unit installed that can either be used for heating or cooling purposes. Such types of air conditioners are regarded much more efficient in energy consumption compared to some of the other options available out there, but can also be heavy on the pocket if you plan on installing one in each room to cover the entire house. Ductless mini splits come with a remote control, but coupled with a smart AC controller, you can operate them using your phone from anywhere. Number 3. Window air conditioner. Since window air conditioners come in different sizes, they would be suitable if you're looking to cool a single room or a small area. If you go for a large window air conditioner, you can even cool a small home, considering it is a single story or one open space. Window air conditioners, since the beginning, have been labeled as champions of cooling smaller spaces and regarded as the most common type of air conditioner. A window air conditioner is a single unit with all of its components enclosed inside. It ejects heat out of its outdoor side and blows cool air into the room on the indoor side. As the name suggests, it is installed in a window or by making a hole in the wall. Such air conditioners have a filter that slides out so that it can be cleaned regularly for full AC efficiency. These air conditioners have controls on the unit and may also come with a remote. Number 4. Portable air conditioner. Portable air conditioners are similar to window air conditioners. They are also placed in a single unit with all its components enclosed inside, but the difference is that it is a freestanding unit and therefore can be moved from room to room. All it requires is a power outlet to power it up and access to a window where the unit's air can be exhausted from using its phone. You can opt for a portable air conditioner if you want temporary space cooling, or wherever it's not practical to install a window or split air conditioner. They are very handy, and smaller versions can even be used for kennels or bathrooms. Portable ACs can be single house that takes in air from inside a room and expel it outdoors. Or dual hose, which pulls air from the outdoors using one hose. This air cools the compressor and is then exhausted outdoors from the other hose. Since a portable unit sits indoors, its evaporator fan runs continuously to evaporate the condensed moisture that is collected inside the unit. Number 5. Floor-mounted air conditioner. Floor-mounted air conditioners are designed for convenience if you prefer a mini split but lack the required space for a wall-mounted unit. The indoor unit of floor-mounted AC rests on the floor, and the outer unit can be installed without major site preparation or any ductwork. This arrangement is also ideal for spaces with tilted walls, such as attics or buildings constructed by fragile materials such as glass. The unit can be installed up to 6 inches higher than the floor, and through a small hole in the wall, it is connected to the outdoor unit. An amazing benefit of the placement of this AC is that it allows you to very easily check the air filters. Easy access to the air filters makes floor-mounted air conditioners ideal for individuals with respiratory issues or people who are keen on keeping their indoor air quality as clean as possible. Floor-mounted systems cool heat the room quicker than any other mounting system, as the fan blows the air directly at your level. On the contrary, units that are mounted high up on the wall can often face difficulties cooling the room uniformly and efficiently. Floor units need free space around them though to function efficiently and circulate the air adequately. Make sure the unit is not obstructed by furniture or walls. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.